Hello guys, today I have DOOGEE Blade 20 Max and I'm going to tell you what to do if the auto brightness is not working on this device. So as you can see here, they have our phone. Let me lower my brightness level so that you can see everything better than usual. So now, at first what you have to do is to open the settings. Now you need to go here to the display settings, which is over here. And now as you can see, here they have the brightness level and we can manage the brightness level over here. Or here they have, as you can see, adaptive brightness. Now, if you have this disabled, you're going to tap it to enable, and as you can see, the screen goes like the screen brightness goes up or down automatically the same second as you tap it. If you disable it, you can see that now we can manage our brightness level by hand. And now the thing is that you need to enable and disable this adaptive brightness level. If you have disabled, you need to enable it, and otherwise, like in the other way. So if it doesn't work still, you need to take some microfiber cloth, like for example this one. It has to be soft, and maybe not microfiber, but just soft cloth, and clean this ambient light sensor near the front camera. Over here, just like that. This should work for you. Now we can check if it works by doing the same thing. Enable adaptive brightness and disable it. Enable and disable. And this should work for you. If it doesn't, you need to now restart your device to refresh the sensors. So here, as you can see, we have the power button, and wait a moment. You need to hold the volume up and power, click or hold, and tap restart, and now your phone should be restarting. So as you can see, now we do have our phone restarted, and it took 3 minutes actually, 2.2 minutes and 30 seconds actually, but yeah. Now your adaptive brightness should work. Go to settings, here scroll down to the display and enable the adaptive brightness again. Now the brightness should automatically adapt. This should work for you now. If it still doesn't, you need to now go back. Wait a moment, no, this button, go back, and here scroll down till you see here, what was that, about phone. Now here about phone, here the build number. You need to tap this build number until you will see you are now a developer. Now once you are now a developer, you need to go to the developer settings. To do so, you need to tap system over here and scroll down. Developer options over here, and now as you can see, screen, stay awake. No, this is not this option. This is, wait a moment, where was that? Not USB. Where was that? Here they have Bluetooth. Drawing, it's here. As I can see here, they have a lot of cool things about our display, and here what you have to do is to tap this Force RTL layout direction, enable it, and here disable it. This should revert all the layouts of your display and revert every single setting that you have. Now, once done, you can go check it and check if it works. If it does, that's nice, but if it still doesn't, here in this system, back again, you need to tap System Updates and check if you do have any updates. If you do need to update your phone, it's because you may have some bugs. And that's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.